All right, here we are back with our audio, just our single track of, let's listen to this, just the vocals.
And you're listening to Crocker Radio.
Now this is kind of a pause right here, and I'm gonna actually split this up, and we can put one of those big like explosions right there. That'd be kind of cool. So how do you split this clip right there? Well, obviously I am in the selection tool, and I can put my cursor right there, and I go to Edit, Clip Boundaries, and Split. So I don't know. Audacity uses a lot of weird terminology. It's a free program. It's not that great, but we just have to figure out where things are. You can actually do Control I to split it. So Control I, think of the I as kind of like your cursor. You're just going to cut it right there. That's probably a pretty easy way to do that. So if I just want to select it there and press Control I, it splits it. So another tool that we haven't talked about is this time shift tool. This little arrows. This is where you can move your tracks around on the timeline here. So this is the timeline. These are seconds here. And so as you can see, I can move these around. All right, so I'm going to make this a little bit narrower, and I'm going to drag and drop my new sound clips in here. So I'm going to go to Downloads. I downloaded 3 different clips, if you remember. All right, and I'm just going to drag and drop them over here, and boom, there they are. So they come out really kind of big, so you probably want to adjust their size a little bit so that you can see everything here. So all right, so wow, so they're pretty big compared to what I have here. So let's see here. What you might want to do, for example, can I move this up? Yes, I can move that up. All right, so I might want, to like start this off here. So I'm going to move this over. Let's see how this, by the way, let me talk a little bit about soloing. So now I have 4 different tracks. If I play this, let's get my other tool. If I play this, it's going to be like just a bunch of junk.
And you're listening to.
You can hear all these tracks playing, and they're not really lined up or anything. But if I just want to hear one track, I can hit the solo button. Solo means that only this track will play.
And you're listening to.
Okay.
And you're listening.
So that is handy. All right. If I want to listen to multiple tracks, I can mute other tracks. So let's say that I want to work on this one and this one first. So let's take a look at this right here.
And you're listening to Crocker Radio.
Ew, that is cool. I kind of like that. And I kind of like this, fade in where it gets pretty loud right there. So I'm going to put kind of like an explosion right there. What I want to do is get rid of this other stuff here. So I can actually grab this and highlight that and press delete. We did that with other tracks. Okay, and then grab this and make this go here. So.
And you're listening to Crocker Radio.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. So I'm going to just get rid of most of this. So I would really like this to fade out, and I can show you how to do that as well. So I selected that. I'm going to delete it. All right, here's another tool for you. This is called the envelope tool, and basically you can put a dot and then another dot, and then you can fade this out. So you can see that I am fading this out. So it takes 2 dots. You put the first dot where the fade wants to start, and the second dot, you pull it down, and that volume is going to come down here. So let's take a look and see what that sounds like.
Rocker Radio.
And there it just fades out. Pretty cool. Okie dokie. So let's hear this. This is solo. And grab this. Yeah, that's going to go right in the middle there. Absolutely. So I'm going to put this, boom, right, kind of like right maybe there. Okay, I'm not going to solo this. I am going to unmute that and see how this sounds. So I'm going to start playing from here.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
All right, so there's too much of a pause here. I need to move this over a little bit more. Let's listen.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
I like that. I like that. All right, so what I'm going to do is do the same thing that I did over here. I'm just going to delete this out. Press delete. Grab my envelope tool right there. Make my dot on this one because I want to fade out that explosion. Make another dot, and then I can fade that out as well. All right, let's listen. Where are we? Start at the beginning.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
And they fade out. That's cool. All right, this is just some ambiance. This right here is just going to go through the whole thing, pretty much. It does fade out. And we might have to increase the volume a little bit to get this to play. Let's solo this and see what it sounds like. Ooh. It's kind of like a really cool whoosh, right? So that actually could lead up to this. That might be kind of cool to lead, because this is going to increase in volume, and then you're going to hear the big explosion. All right, so I'm going to unsolo this, and we're going to hear everything right now. So let's press play or hit the space bar.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
I'm going to make this a little bit louder. So as you can see, each track has its own volume, all right? So the volume knob allows, and it actually has a pan left or right, like you might want to put here only the left side or only the right side to make some stereo imaging, have it sound cool in headphones. But I want to make this a little bit louder. So a little goes a long way. You don't want to get too crazy here. So plus 4 dB is quite a bit. Let's hear.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
Yeah, I don't know if you can actually even hear it. Can you hear that? Let's see.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
Let's mute it and see what the difference is.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
And unmuted.
And you're listening to Rocker Radio.
Oh, I see. It's just that, like, kind of big underneath. All right, I see what that is. I'm going to actually take this down just a little bit, and that should be fine. That just adds a little bit of stuff on the bottom. Okay, and we are done. So make sure that you save, file, save, or Control S, which is the easiest. And we are done. I will show you how to export as an MP3 in another video.